Hello everyone and welcome to our small tutorial here. I'm ENVtuber, professional alchemist, and today we're going to set up with the Streamer.bot a whitelist of users. So all their messages that they send in chat, either Twitch chat, YouTube chat, or whatever platform Streamer.bot supports in the future, is going to be sent to VTSPOG and only those specific user messages, right? So without further ado, let's go into the setup. So first of all, you want to have Streamer.bot open and VTSPOG open too. Then you want to download from the description below. There's a link to our docs. There you can download a file to import to Streamer.bot, which will contain two pre-configured stuff here on Streamer.bot. One is an action that you are going to check in a bit, and the other is a command which we are going to check right now. The command is called whitelist TTS. Why a command? Because it's the easiest way to filter messages and then whitelist the users this way. We have set up for this a resheds type command, basically going to apply this garble of a mess of a code to each message and going to detect like if the message has any letter or number, and then it's going to check if it has either of those, the message is going to be a-okay. Second one, we want to configure whoever we want this command to be triggered by. This is going to be our whitelist of users, which is the important part. In this case, I have here added two of my mods. I'm going to add another of my mods here, so like whenever they send a message, it's going to be read by the pet instead. And apart from that, make sure you have your platform of choice of streaming here enabled. In my case, I'm going to have only Twitch at the moment. And we're going to hit OK. With that ready, we are going to go now to actions. Here we'll have whitelist check, which is the action in question. It's going to be linked as a trigger to the command we just set up. And you will see here three sub-actions. First one is another important one, is another filter. This is a filter for you, the broadcaster, the streamer. Because by default, all commands on Streamer.bot are enabled and are whitelisted for the broadcaster, because you are the broadcaster. So I added this sub-action here that you can enable or disable whatever is your use case, to be able to like ignore your messages to be read by the pet. By default, it's going to be enabled, and you will need to disable it. In case you are on YouTube, sometimes this thing here, which will check your username, is not may not work. In that case, you may need to like type down yourself your username in this place here. In my case, I want it to be disabled because I'm the only one testing this at the moment, so I want the pet to be reading me. The other two actions that you will see here are the connection to VTSPOG. I made two sub-actions here so you guys can pick and choose. First one is going to send normal TTS to be read by VTSPOG. Second one is going to send an AI request to VTSPOG, so it's read by your pet's personality. So whatever is the one you want, just keep that one enabled and disable the other one. For this tutorial, we're just going to like keep the normal TTS enabled because I don't want the AI to trigger. And with that, everything is set up. So if we go here to our chat, we are going to send a message in order all the other example messages I sent before, and we are going to send like hello ENVtuber.
Hello ENVtuber.
There we go, working. It will disable now. We enable the filter again so it doesn't read the broadcaster, which is us. We send whatever message, and POG is not going to trigger because the filter is enabled. So yeah, make sure you have the filter enabled or disabled depending if you want your pet to be read by you. Whitelist the users, and make sure both programs are enabled. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching until this point, and have an amazing day. See ya!